Okay guys, first off, new video, wide angle lens. I have a whole bunch of video and recording equipment I got a while ago, didn't use, so I'm trying to get used to using it more, pretty much, because a lot of stuff I didn't use. But anyways, a lot of you are probably wondering, hey, why haven't this guy made a video recently, right? Like, why haven't he been posting or whatnot? I'm in the middle of changing up the corporate and business structure for Stock Drones, planning for different launches, and I'm also working on a lot of software and tech updates. So stay tuned. I know it's been a long time, but there's a lot being worked on, and I'm excited to really bring a lot of projects forward. So just stay tuned. I know you guys been waiting, but trust me, I mean, I didn't want to go a month without making a video, so I rather sort of make one of these, but you know how it goes, and a lot of awesome things being worked on.